Hey guys, how's it going? I figured I would start off this video showing the phone and kind of what it looks like after you replace the USB port that is on the bottom. I even have a new door. I didn't film doing that because I forgot, but it's easy enough. You don't need to take everything apart to replace this door. Just the back cover, a screw, pop off the piece of plastic, take out the old tab if there's anything left of it, and slide in the new one, put the screw back in, you're good to go. And you got yourself the dust cover again, which is nice. What's not so nice about going through this, unlike what they don't show you online, is, now I didn't crack the display, but it kind of gives that appearance because this is just kind of like black paint with a sticker on the back of it. So when you're peeling it up, this part right here in some spots kind of pulled the black paint, if you will, away from the glass. So this is functional. Now when you're placing this back down, it's just not going to seat the same as what it originally did. So as I kind of mentioned in my video repairing this, which you'll see here in a second, is this is a good easy fix to just get you by on the phone, right? I can now charge it. It charges every time I plug it in, and I got it working. The display works, everything works. It just looks kind of bad, and I'm due for a new phone anyways. That's why I went ahead and did this, because technically I wouldn't have even done this, except I was like, it'd be interesting to do a video. And I know there's other videos, but they don't really show the front afterwards. One guy, the phone's still upside down when he ends the video. Well, and I could tell in the video, that black piece, he was going to have that same look. And I'll go closer here. See? It's not that the display is cracked. I was able to get everything apart without cracking the display. It's just that paint that goes around is peeled away with the sticker. So it's just going to kind of look like crap. But so this is a good thing to do just to get you by. Now you can continue on watching me undo everything, kind of messing up here and there, but it should help you out. So I got my Samsung Galaxy S5 here. I figured I'd do a video. I need to change out the charge port because, well, it's not charging. Well, it is. It's hit and miss. But you can get these on, like I got this on Amazon. Link will be in the description. But it's like 11 bucks for that. And you can even buy the dust door, which mine broke, because that's a pretty common thing to break on these. You can buy that 5 something and you get like 2. And see, it comes with a screwdriver, a cloth. Then this, the port came with this kit, and it's from Mobile Prime, I guess. It even says like, hey, if you have problems, give them a call. So, I don't know. We'll see. So I watched some other videos. Of course, they don't talk. Figure, let's actually do this. I've never done this before. So, they have a heat gun. I got a heat gun. Let's see what we get in the packet. So, Phillips, cloth, basically a guitar pick, another driver, something to pry with, another pick. This one looks like it's thin there but thicker in the center, probably to grab onto. Another pry utility, wider than that one. A suction cup, I guess that's to aid you pulling that off. And a small flathead. And I got a computer repair kit off to the side too, so I got more stuff if I need to. I'll leave that in the pack. Pull up the back cover. And I have an extended battery. So, like that. I should power this off, power off. And there's a small door over on the side. There's the camera for reference, so right here. pull that off. Just a little sticky tape on it. Set it to the side. Grab the smaller Phillips. Remove that screw. This gets really hot. Just keep it moving. Try the one that's a little thicker. Of course, you don't want to break the display. So what you're doing is just going slow. Don't rush these things. As you can see, it's slowly separating. I'm being gentle. Just go a little at a time. So you can get up in there. There's a connector in here. Okay, that connector came off just by pulling this. It just pops. I can show it just pops up. Okay. I'll probably try to fix that a little bit. Okay, so to get that off, you just unplug it there. And then that comes off like that. So you don't need to mess with the button. So you got two parts now. So kind of keep that down. That will stay. Make sure you didn't pry it too much if you messed up. Yeah, if I can get six months out of my phone, that's all I care about. So I kind of flipped everything back for that gasket. That's good to go. So that's my display. So next piece is undo these screws. 1, 2. So yeah, I will want to remove all these black screws. See, the good thing is if I fail at this, I'll just go buy a new phone. But it's worth the $15 try to bring you this video. See, you know, how, if you've never done this, of course the guys on the videos on YouTube probably, you know, they probably do this. They're probably like a cell phone repair or something. They've probably done this before. Okay, I thought I might have messed up taking off the display, but the home button spots, this, they just lift off. Be gentle. Don't want to tear them. It's on there pretty good. I mean, nothing the other videos show act like these things just, oh, they just pull. You know, like they're flipping it with one of these. It's like, what? So, okay, those are up. This part seems like it's going to be a little harder. Need this side piece. I guess find a spot. So middle's pretty flimsy. And just kind of walk around. Okay. Holy cow, that was a pain. Don't know where this little cat fell off of. Set it to the side. Uh-oh, what do we got? Let's take it out of the bag. That's it right there. New one, old one on the board. We got little connectors. So we got this one up here. Phillips there. And it's just a plug, so I just popped it. So that matches up to that guy. That connector, look how small that guy is. If it will focus. There we go. I got it on. It lines up, so it must be. So now that you got it on, I'm pretty confident. I will remove that sticker backing. It's pretty strong stuff, so. I start on that corner, lay it in, and then lay that in. Just kind of push on it. There, that's stuck on. That was pretty straightforward, so you got new pads too. I don't know why they say, the video I'm watching, so watch out so you don't rip them. So take this white wire, follow that plastic channel. Push it down in there. This would probably be the hard part too, these little connectors. Without damaging anything, you know. Okay, got that one on, the white wire. Take this one, go up. It also follows, there's a groove, it takes the upper path. That one goes down like that. This one goes, there's an upper path, goes on top. There's some clips that hold it in right there. I don't know how important it is to get in those clips, but it went in. And then that connector, I pushed it on just with my fingernail. Whew, there we go. Now hopefully that works. Went through all this trouble. Set that one off to the side. There's new sticker stuff on that. I'm gonna say the charge port is probably should go in first. Yeah, like that. Fell right in. That's a little easier. I'll just hook this side. Yeah, that's the best. Get the top out. And the port comes out. Okay. So that was pretty easy. And then you line up, there's a couple tabs. Hopefully that's good enough there. That one came off easier, so it's more straight because it didn't start not coming off. There we go. There we go. So we need to put the screws. I forgot to put that one screw down, and I put those stickers on. Well, we'll assume that screw won't really matter. I mean, it's in there tight, right? So I messed up already. One screw here. That's why I keep the screws separate too. That way I know they're all in. Being so small, be easy to overlook. Okay, so cable. Okay, let's feed that back through. turn it over. I'll wait on that before I button it totally up. It's booting. Display doesn't look as nice. I'll see if I can just buy one of those. Probably can. Easy enough to change out the display, you know, if you buy a complete unit. Then you probably get new sticky stuff. Well, it looks like it comes on, which is good. Let's see, let's just open apps, go back, that works. Bring up everything, close. Well, the display works. My only question is, without getting a new display, without that sticker stuff that's holding it down, not that it looks bad, but how well is it going to stay on? Cover, if you want to put it back. Just like that. Phone case cover. Depending on your case. I got the extended battery again. Goes on. Oop. And so it does work. Is it pretty? No. I'll probably turn it off here and go ahead and maybe heat it up and just kind of push it down and let it rest. Go around the edge. That feels more recessed now. Now if I drop it, will that display just go bloop? Be kind of embarrassing, but like I said, it works and probably could get a new display. I want to check that out. But so how does replacing something like this work, seeing it on YouTube? It's possible. It's not going to be as clean. Those guys probably do hundreds of these, so be careful. You know, that's all I can say. Like, I really don't know where that fell off of, but you know, no idea. And I did forget one screw for the USB port. And the other main thing is plugging it in and trying. So I'll see. But it does work. You can replace these. It's just not going to be pretty. This is probably going to just like let you limp along. You know, maybe I'll get 6 months to a year if I'm lucky. If I don't care about the looks, I don't really care about the looks. I mean, the function works. It doesn't affect the screen anywhere the display is. So guys, there it is. Hopefully this helps somebody with an honest review on how this is turned out. It's not going to be perfect. The review said that when I checked out these on Amazon, but I had no idea because the YouTube videos acted like this was cakewalk. It's not cakewalk, but you can do it. Take your time is all I can suggest, you know, and don't hurry along, and you should be able to at least get your phone working, and hopefully my issue charging, and be good to go. Take care. Have a good one.